Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add or update your Fiverr payment methods. Whether you are withdrawing money or making a purchase, it only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First of all, go to fiverr.com and log into your account. Once you are in, click on your profile picture or click on My Business tab, then click Earnings. From here, select Add Payout Method. Select your method like Payoneer. Up to 1 business days, fees may apply. You can choose your currency like USDT, Euro, and GBP. Then bank account. Up to 3 business days, fees may apply. You can also from here use your currency like USD, Euro, GBP. And finally, PayPal. Up to 1 business days, fees may apply. Click the method you want, and Fiverr will prompt you to connect your account. For example, for PayPal, just enter your PayPal email and confirm it. For bank transfers or revenue cards, you will be redirected to Payoneer to complete setup. After linking the method, Fiverr will send a verification email or SMS. Make sure to verify your choice. Also note new payment methods might require a 24-hour security wait before withdrawals are active. You can always change or remove a method by going back to the sum section. You can always change or remove a method by going back to the same section. Just make sure your payment information is accurate and up to date to avoid issues during withdrawals. And that's it. Your Fiverr payment method is now set up. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more quick freelancing tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.